Saxon Phonics, Lesson 52. Repeat these words after me. Off, stuff, sniff. Fill, shell, doll. Pass, boss, less. What do you notice that's alike in these words? I'll give you a minute to think about it. What do you see is the same in these words? Do you notice something at the end of each word? Yeah, we see 2 F's at the end of all these words, 2 L's at the end of these words, and 2 S's at the end of these words. Are those consonants or vowels? They are all a double consonant. Double consonant F, double consonant L, and double consonant S. Every single one of these words that you see all end in double consonants. And they are a one-syllable word. Off, stuff, sniff, fill, shell, doll, pass, boss, less. All these words are one syllable. What do you notice about the vowels in these words? Are they long or are they short? They are short. Off. Remember, long vowels, we hear the vowel say its name. We'd hear this O say ah. F, ill. P, ass. B, os. L, ass. Sh, al. D, all. St, f. Sn, if. Every single one of those vowels produces a short sound. The new spelling rule we'll learn today is called the floss rule. Can you repeat floss rule? Who can tell me how the word floss is like the words in the 3 columns that we just looked at? Do you notice anything that's the same of what we just talked about? Yes, I noticed that the O is a short vowel. Floss. What about the ending? Right, it ends in a double consonant. And is it a one-syllable word? Floss. Yes, it is. We're going to learn a new rule today that explains how to spell words like these. Let's practice. Here's the first word. Class. Class. Do you think that the word class is a floss word? Let's first look at the syllables. How many syllables does class have? Class. Right, 1. What about the vowel? Ah. It's a short vowel. But what about the ending? If I gave you this word to write, what would you do? What would you put at the end? Two S's. Class. Does it follow our floss rule? Yes, it does. And how do you know that? Right. It's a one-syllable word, and it has a short vowel, and it ends with an S sound. Let's do another word. Bus. Some words might look like floss words, but they don't follow the floss rule. like this example of bus. Is it a one-syllable word? Yes. Is the vowel a short sound? Yes, b-u-s. But what about the ending? It only has one consonant at the end. Bus. This word should be spelled with two S's, but it's spelled with only one. Words like bus are known as irregular spelling words. Does anyone know what I mean by irregular spelling words? An irregular spelling word is a word that doesn't follow the spelling rules we've been learning. So when spelling those irregular spelling words that don't follow the rules, you might want to ask your teacher, or you can look it up. Go ahead and get out your worksheet. Number 1. J. 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 Number 2. Sh. Sh. Our digraph that has two letters but one sound, sh. Number 3. Ooh. Ooh. Double O. Number 4. O. O. Right, O. But did you remember to put O, consonant E? Because O, consonant E, also says O. Number 5. X. 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 Let me redo that X. Number 6. F. F. T-H. F. Number 7. U. 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 And did you remember U, consonant E? That sneaky E sneaks around the consonant to the U and scares him into saying you. Number 8. Y. 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 Number 9. U. Number 10. W. 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 Pause the video if you need to catch up on those review letters. When you're ready, push resume. Number 11. O. O. L. And we just learned in the floss rule that two L's can say O. Number 12. S. 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 And we learned with the consonant rule that it could also be two S's, a double consonant S. It makes the same sound as a single S. Number 13. F. 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 And what did we just learn? Right, two F's can make the sound as one F with our new floss rule. For 14 through 19, let's sound out each picture and write the word on the line. Number 14, it's a picture of a, right, shell. Sh-L. Remember, we're going to try using our floss rule with these words. Sh-L. Sh. S-H. E. E. O. Do we do one L or two? Two, because it's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound and two consonants at the end. Number 15, dress. Dress. Dr. S. D-R-E-S-S. 16. Frog. Frog. Fr. Ah. G. This one's tricky. It does not have a double G at the end. Number 17. Glass. Glass. Gl. Ah. S. G-L-A-S-S. 18. Cuff. Cuff. K. A. F. K. A. F. Number 19. Bell. Bell. B. E. L. Bell. Turn your paper over to the back. Follow along as I read. Russ says that his school is the best. He attends class and does his math and spelling there. He sleeps and has his food there. Russ likes being at school with his friends. Does Russ like school? Yes or no? What does Russ not get to do at his school? Do math? Sleep? Keep kittens? What does the story say he cannot do at school? Where does Russ like to be? At home? At school? In the woods? When you're finished, submit your worksheet to your teacher.